family. And she died April 28, 2024. Inihinay Kunching, buti ay pahiya, ang iya nanay, Piloteria, nga anak ni Macaria, nga ni Quintin Ayuste, namatay ang iya nanay, so gin-alagaan niya ang among lola nga hi Macaria. Didahiya dako, tugtog nga, gipa-eskwela hiyahin, elementary and high school at Leyte Institute. So, pagkagraduate niya in high school, kinpalakatiya nga Manila, pag-eskwelahin college. So, pagkatapos niya, ang ipa-eskwela ni namong lola in commerce. Pagkatapos niya, eksakto lang nga, nakaasawa niya kan Conrado Cervero, nga amo yan na iton, Father Mira Charito. Gintagang hirahin upat nga kabataan. Ang Ira Ildes, ki Cecilia, ang ikaduha, hi Charito.
May ikaduha ako.
Ang ikatulo, hi Cynthia, nga aatuyan na ha, Nueva Ecija. Kung matituhiya, inil maestra, ang iyaliwat asawa, supervisor liwat ha college. So, ang ikaupat naman, hi Caroline, aadto iliwat hiya ha, United States. Wala hirang makaulingan nagpadala na lang hiya, kang Chari. Chari na lang nagmamanage yan na. Ako na ito, that's only the thing I can say. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Meron pa ba? Kung wala na?
Josie.
Tita Josie. Thank you, Auntie. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Nanay Kunching, happy life celebration on your first
Anniversary.
Ako, actually, Hinanay Kunching, we were too close. Kami na mga patog. Pero Nay Kunching is really our first degree cousin because her mom was the older sister of my nanay. Okay? Mga ayos Verde. Okay. Nga Nay Kunching, nasanay kami pagtawag kay yan inay, though she is really our first degree cousin. Kay matawo hiya just more than a week later after Nanay Sasi's birth. That was on October. Hinay Sasi was born October 18. Ako,
October 17. So, Inesasi, October 18. Hinay Kunching,
October
27.
So,
nagkadungan ni Tiraan Hinay Sasi panagko. So, naamo na lang natawag na Nay Kunching. Do, magpatol talaga kami ay Inay Kunching. Okay. So, Hinay Kunching, hipita amo na katuha iya kay amo nagbangon Mrs. Prince. Okay. Ito ha, ako yan ha.
LA.
okay. Yan, inihiseli, texted. Nag-text siya ako.
Nga, Tita Josie, away nga celebration kaniya nanay. Nga nakon, di ako naman, being a Catholic, I offered a mass today dito ha, Amon Church, dito ha, Our Lady of Lourdes Catholic Church sa VNG. So first thing in the morning at 5:30, I woke up mga 4:30. I heard Mass in honor itong first year death anniversary ni Nanay Kunching. Nag-offer ako ito haiyahin Mass. So after Mass, I had a little breakfast and then I packed up and proceeded here, okay? for this celebration of Nanay Conching's life. Inay Conching, patarawan niya usahay kay di ako nakadto ako ha. I left the Philippines in 1981, okay? For Western Africa, being contracted in Nigeria. So I was in Africa for okay? So
Ay. Thank you. Hello,
in
Bea.
Africa, nagano ako, nag-drop by ha, hatoy.
Kamu na.
Nanay Conching after long years of absence. So Nanay Conching was staying with our first cousin na Hiribeng Pascual. Ada niya nakagindapunan ang mga
Ilan ano sila?
itira nanay, anay, kainday. Who will also celebrate Mapangluksa on July 19th, birthday ni Tita, July 19th.
Oray man ni baby.
So, I will
Away
not finish.
Lakad di pala?
Absent how many years.
Okay.
I was so happy to see her again way back in 1983 because she was staying in the apartment ng aming pinsan na Hibek, okay? At the same time, Hibek, Nakatremenche, at mga Bugto, Hiratuto, everybody, pati Kainday Chungguryo, okay, complete. So katapos, Inay Conching, nakatugdo ako New York, katapos, Inay Conching, mahilig magkasino, pero may ato Atlantic City. Ito Atlantic City, away to dito New Jersey, okay? So at any rate, actually, gusto niya magkasino ko Good Friday, kaya nananalo ko niya pag Good Friday. So that was very funny. Okay, so di na ako ito mabaruhay niya ito ng mga pastime, okay? Katapos, Inay Conchinghan, narinig niya dito ng apartment ni Laraga, taga-Karigara, Laraga. So ako naman was staying with Beck in the Woodside. So nalalakad ko na ito niya apartment, nakatuya second floor. So nakatuya ni Kaya, iya ito gilalabay ito siya bintana. Ako na nag-aabot niya apartment. So I love Nanay Conching very, very much to the extent na at least naabutan ko hiya before she passed away when I came back here. Okay, and actually when she was very, very sick, dito hiya had her last breath Ace Hospital. Okay, so Nanay Conching, we are all here, imo mga umangkon, imo mga pato, imo mga apo, relatives and friends, celebrating your first year of your life celebration. And that ends my story about our beloved Nanay Conching.
Thank you.